Hey, what's going on, people? This is Playful Competence. My name is Raven Wheeler, and today we're going to be messing with the kendama. The first trick that I'm going to be doing is a bird over valley flip in, and if I hit a whirlwind, I hit a whirlwind. If I don't, then I don't. But the mod that I'm using is Terra Kendama Band Tour Destroy Common. This is cooked, but I've had this for a long time, so yeah. Here we go, bird over valley, flipping. Little bevel lick. But yeah, guys, that was bird over valley, flip in. Let's go nightingale over valley. Drop it.